Hey everybody, nathansan05 here. I'm gonna bring y'all a tin opening. It's the Wind-Up Zenmaister tin. I went ahead and took the wrapper off so it'd be quicker. Just got this today. So let's see. I'll open up the promo cards that are in it. Wind-Up Zenmaister, Neoparshath, the Sky Paladin, Archlord Christius. So glad this card came out. I can make my fairy deck. Elemental Hero Gaia, and Pot of Duality, which everyone is still loving this fact. Can't wait for the Solemn Warnings to come out in the next 10. For the packs, two Storm of Ragnarok, one Extreme Victory, and two Trishal's Triumph. Last time I think I started with the Storm of Ragnarok, or I think it was Extreme Victory. This time we'll start with Trishal's Triumph. Come on, Trishala, right? That's really the only card I actually want out of here is Trishala. Okay, I got Terry Exterio, Terry Stinebug, Strategist of the Ice Bear, Defender of the Ice Bear, and Gen X Allied Volcanum. First pack. Those are all for trade. Oh, cool. Oh, I forgot this card came in here. Materia Landois. I actually need that for my 6th hand deck. That's good. Dragonity Javelin, Materia Strawberry, Neoflamewell Shaman, and Dragonity Kuroseska. All for trade. Opening up the single Extreme Victory pack now. Come on, let's see. How about okay, War Factory, Aurora, Patagon, Elder of the Six Samurai, TGX1-HL, Buster Blaster, Ultra TG Hellbird Cannon. That's pretty good. Scarlet Security, Jar Turtle, and Out of the Blue. Opening up the two Storm of Ragnarok packs. Top Runner, Karakuri Cash Cache, Worm's Jet Eclipse, Dharma of the Nordic Beasts, a Scrap Worm. Ooh, this is good. I got a Super Temple of the Six. Over there. Lozolf of the Nordic Alfar. Maijo Shalion. I'm not really sure how to pronounce that. And Resonator Engine. Not too bad so far. It's not too bad. Nordic Relic, Leviathan, Solemn Authority, Gautam Diamondberger. I don't know. Blackwing Broys the Tailwind, Gold Fox of the Nordic Beasts. That's for the rare. Cyber Shield, Barrier Resonator, Divine Relic, Joran, and then Blackwing Kalima the Haze. And that's everything for the packs. Quick simple recap for this. Almost all of the commons are for trade, except for maybe like 3 of them. I just don't have them. I'm a collector. The rares, Golden Finish of the Nordic Beast, a Scrap Worm, and a Buster Blaster. These two are not for trade. This one is. And if you're wondering why, it's because any cards I don't have, I keep at least one of them. For the supers, I got a Temple of the Six, not for trade. Ultras, I got a TG Hellbird Cannon, not for trade. Naturia Landois, not for trade, and Naturia Exterio, not for trade. So really the only card that is out of this that is for trade is the Beast and almost all the commons, pretty much. Take your pick. Out of the promo pack, of course, the Pot of Duality, Almatir Gaia, Archlord Christia, Neo Parshath, and Wind-Up Zenmaister, none of which are for trade. Be using all of them, and except for these two, and they're probably just going to go to my collection. But yeah, that's what I got. Hope you enjoyed it, everybody. Once again, the new 10s will be coming out November 1st, by the way, so be sure to go to maybe your locals or Walmart or wherever you have that sells the cards, and go and buy 2 of them, because there's some ones in there. 2 is staple for almost every deck in the game. Alright, everybody, nathansan05 out. Bye.